Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your battery drains too fast or you want to extend battery life when it's running low, power mode is the fastest and safest solution. In iPhone settings 2026, low power mode reduces background activity and system performance to save battery instantly. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on low battery mode or low power mode on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, go to settings. Okay, so now I want you to look for battery option. Tap it. So this is where all battery related options are managed. Okay, so turn on or toggle on low power mode. Okay, so it's the second one. Tap it like this. Once enabled, battery icon turns yellow. Okay, background activity is reduced, battery life extend immediately. So what low battery or what low power mode does? When on, low power mode reduces background app refresh, lowers screen brightness, slows visual effects and animations, pauses automatic downloads, and limits some system performance. Okay, so now your iPhone still works normally, just more efficiently. Okay, so sometimes when your battery reaches 20%, iPhone will ask you turn on low power mode. Okay, tap turn on to activate it instantly. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.